How would you like your very own cash money system where you can actually earn $200 per day using only your smartphone? Now, if you stay to the very end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your very own cash system, and this system works within 24 hours, actually within 6 hours, and only sending out one email to my list, I was able to get my first qualifying member. Now stay tuned to the very end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly what this software is. I'm going to show you how you can leverage it using your free phone number. Yes, you're going to get your very own phone number, which I'm going to show you multiple different methods to promote it and get new members joining. And now this system has a 1 in 6 conversion rate. Now this is crazy, and I'm actually going to show you that right here. So if we actually go into my Press One Cash back office, you guys can see here, look, I have 6 members who called in and I have 1 member who joined. Okay, now I didn't believe this was true until I actually went out there and tested it out. My friend was like, hey, you know, it's 1 in 6 conversions. Everybody that calls, 1 out of 6 people join. And check this out, 1 out of 6 people that checked my business out have joined. Now, I have a whole crap load of traffic going to this system now. I'm about to ramp this up like crazy. So what I recommend doing is hitting the button below this video, going to instantcommissionsystem.com, call 707-358-3051 if you guys want to join the team. If you guys want more information, you can go ahead and call us there, or you can visit the instantcommissionsystem.com. All the links are in the description below this video, so go ahead and check that out. So now what exactly are you going to get? So not only are you going to get your very own phone number, which you can use to promote anything. So you can have this phone number, you can change this link out. So as you guys see here, if I just open this up, so this just goes to one of our landing pages. This is one of, I think there's like 6 landing pages that you get to choose from when you set this system up, so that's amazing. This is another landing page that I use. So I have a couple that I'm testing out, and they're actually converting like crazy, so that's awesome. And if you guys want to, let me just see here. So if you guys want to change anything out, you can change this out to whatever business you want. So maybe you have an offline business, or you're just looking to, you know, get more traffic. You can actually use Press One Cash to promote whatever business you want. So you'll get your very own phone number. When people call in, they'll get a simple message that says, hey, you know, click here or press 1 to get more information. Okay, now you can change that message out if you want, or you can just leave it the same. But that's the Press One Cash system, and it's actually going to keep all of your numbers on file. So if you have a SMS software where you want to actually, like, you know, follow up with them and text them, you can just download that CSV file and you can have all of those numbers on file for you to contact. And anybody that joins up, you can get all their contact information as well, so you can follow up with them and help them succeed. So I really like how simple this system is. That is one of the main things. And I really like the instant pay program. Okay, you don't have to wait to get paid. You don't have to go through any, you know, crappy payment processors. So this is what it looks like when people go to upgrade. They're just going to click this little button, right? And if you guys don't know how to set this up, it's very simple to use through Stripe. That's what I use, and they'll just simply, you know, plug it in there, and boom, they're ready to upgrade and start earning $200 commissions. So that's the back office of the Press One Cash. Now, what is the system that we actually get to promote this? Now, the system is set up by Frank Calabro Jr. Now, if you guys don't know who Frank Calabro Jr. is, go research him. You know, you can go YouTube him. He's done millions of dollars online, and he's actually, you know, he creates these systems that are super duplicatable, super simple and newbie friendly. And every time he sets one of these up, not only does my team grow, my team has success, but my income grows like crazy. Okay, now, like I said, with one email, I was actually able to get my first member signed up, which is crazy. So they enter their email, they're going to go watch this video. Now, it's just a short 10-minute video explaining the $200 Press 1 Cash system. Now, if they want illustrations, they can just simply click here, right? And this is where Frank's going to walk them through how to actually enroll. Okay, so like I said, it's very, very newbie friendly. It's very easy to set up. Frank does a very, very good job of explaining everything. And the reason I love this is because if you're a new person and you're, scared of selling and you're not really sure, how to get traffic, this solves a lot of your problems, right? You have a system that's set up. You have something that's going to follow up with your leads automatically, because this system follows up with your leads automatically. Frank has a done for you follow-up, which is going to follow up with them. And then I'm actually going to show you how to copy my 50-day email follow-up inside of Aweber. Okay, so that's some advanced training that I'm going to give away, and there's tons and tons of value here. But the best part is you have two simple ways of promoting. You're either going to share your phone number or you're going to share your link. Okay, so it's very, very simple, right? You're either going to send people to, for me it's the 6-figure success system or the instant commission system, right? Or they can call 707-358-3051. And either way, they're going to get sent to this page, right? So they're going to get sent to this page when they press that button, right? They're going to get sent over to this video. Now, all the selling, all the telling, that's all automated. I don't have to talk to anybody. I don't have to pitch. I don't have to close. I don't have to chase. I don't have to do anything, because this system is done. And with our training, we're going to show you how to get eyeballs on this. Okay? Getting the traffic is the easy part. Having something that converts is the hard part. So leverage something that already works, like this system. Okay? Now, if you guys check this out, let me just go over to my Facebook. So not only was I able to get my first member, but check this out. In 1 week, Frank, just from the $200, was able to generate $4,600 in commissions. Okay? Now, this is just running solo ad traffic, which Frank goes over inside of this system. So like I said, everything is done. Everything is set up. It's very, very simple. So you get sent to this page, or your prospect gets sent to this page. What's going to happen now is they're going to click this button. They're going to get sent over to your Press 1 Cash page, right? Where, if you guys seen in the illustrations, Frank's going to show them how to click join here and, join under your sponsor. Now, depending on, I like how Frank sets it up, because he doesn't put his number in there. He just shares value. He just shares how to set the system up. So he's not looking to, steal leads from you. He's not looking to steal sales from you. He's just looking to help you make money. And that is where you want to be. You want to be in the place where the leader is helping the new members make money. Okay, so you'll simply click that button to join. And then what you want to do is you want to click on continue. Now, this is where the magic happens. Okay, so once your member is joined, once they've, gone through and set up their Press 1 Cash, they're going to have 4 simple steps. Now, in these 4 steps, right, so step 1 is going to show them, the fast start training of Press 1 Cash. It's going to show them how to set up their number. It's going to show them how to set up their payment processors. Everything that you would normally need to train people if you want to have team duplication, Frank is going to do inside of this system. Okay, so that is very, very powerful. Then under step 2, Frank is going to show them how to duplicate this system. So using Power Lead System, you can actually get this entire thing. So you can get this page, 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 you can get all the pages that you're seeing, right, by simply plugging into this code into your Power Lead System. And then all of these buttons right here are going to change to your system, right? So as you guys see here, join PLS 6-figure success system. That's my link, right? Because this is my system where I earn commissions. So Frank has set it all up. All you have to do is copy it, right? Which is very simple. It takes less than an hour, and boom, you have your very own cash producing system. So that's step number 2. Then step number 3, Frank's going to walk you through how to get traffic, okay? He's going to walk you through the do's and the don'ts, everything that you need to actually go out there and purchase your first successful solo ad. Now, this is very important because a lot of people, when they're brand new, they don't have a Facebook or they don't have a Facebook following, they don't have a big email list, they don't have all of this, crazy stuff where, someone like me, where I can just go send out an email broadcast, right? And let me just open this up here. I can send out an email broadcast to 2,000 people, right, and get some traction on this post. But a lot of people don't have that. So with the solo ad training, they're going to be able to get traffic instantly right to their system without having to have a email list or a following or anything like that right out of the gate. But you can use this system to build your email list, right? I have this system linked up to my Aweber, which, like I said, in my bonus training, I'm going to be giving you guys my 50-day email follow-up, which is going to further increase the amount of conversions, the amount of return on investment you can actually get from this traffic, from this system. Okay, so that is step number 3. And then step number 4 is just some advanced training. Okay, so Frank's going to show you how to set up your Hangout page where you can actually promote our live trainings that Frank does every week. He's going to show you how to do emailing with canned responses. So this is how you're going to email the new members that are joining your team, right, to get them onto the system setup and things like that. Okay, so and then creating your trackable links. So you want to be tracking everything. You want to be seeing, which solo ad traffic is converting, is Facebook traffic converting, is YouTube traffic converting, right? You want to figure out what's working and then focus all of your energy on that. So Frank does a great job of setting everything up. He makes it super, super simple. And that's why I love these systems, all right? They're great for beginners. They're great for people who have no idea, what to do when it comes to making money online. They can literally just plug into this and say, hey, if you want to make money, just call this number. If you want to make money, just go to this link, right? That's how internet marketing should be, and Frank's done a great job of setting that up. So this is literally a set and forget system, right? Once you go through, yes, it's going to take a little bit of time to go through and set this system up, but once it's set up, once it's ready to go, once you have all of your payment processor set up, like my Stripe's linked to my bank account, my Power Lead system is linked to my bank account, so I get commissions, right? And I don't have to think about anything. All I have to do is I just literally sit on the couch, or I'm out on the deck in the sun on my phone, right? Just sharing this number, getting traction into these landing pages, and the system is doing all the selling and telling for me. So that's why I love these systems, and it's great for summertime. I want to be outside in the nice sun. I don't want to be behind my computer setting one of these systems up. So this is what I'm going to be doing this winter, or this summertime, is leveraging Frank's system to start earning $200 commissions so I can actually enjoy the sunshine. All right, guys? So if you guys want to enjoy the sunshine with us, if you guys want to get started, hit that link below. Or, like I said, you can call my number, 707-358-3051. Now, remember that, 707-358-3051. You want to remember your number, because when people ask you how to make money, I just say, hey, call 707-358-3051. They call that number up, they press 1, boom, they're inside of this system. It's as simple as that, right? There's no selling, there's no telling. I don't got to do nothing. All I got to do is share a simple number. So go ahead, set your system up. We'll see you guys inside of the Facebook group. Now, if you guys want to learn how to get inside of the Facebook group, it's right here. Just click on this, join Press 1 Cash Millionaire Success. Join this group right here. And once you've joined, let us know you're a new member, and we will welcome you all to the team. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.